Welcome back to this journey. I just received my first funded payouts, bro.
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it, but God gave it to me. I'm grateful to Him.
Actually, this morning I just received my first funded payouts. A 272. It's actually more than $272 in crypto. I woke up and I saw that $272 is breathing in my wallet. Guys, it's about time. This is after 5 trades anyway. I will take you to my Telegram. Let's just review the trades and start from where we stopped. So let's go to my Telegram now. Up $188. This was the first trade that I placed. Actually, the first trade did not trigger, so that's not the first trade. This was the first trade that I placed. Limit order placed successfully. Look at the trade here, and you can see when the trade triggered. And I said in, and look at when I broke even. I said partial has taken, move to B here, and this is the first trade, which is trade number 1. So look at when it TP'd, and this was my account balance when the trade hit TP. Account balance now. So going to the second trade. Now this was the second trade. As I said, I am in on this right now. I just saw this OB and I said, and I just jumped in. I said I am in on this right now, and this happened to be the second trade. So when this was actually going sideways, I said about to get fucked here. Now this actually took me out, and the second trade happened to be SL. Okay, but something happened after I was taken out. The trade later went to take profit. Anyway, the second trade was SL. Going to the third trade. Now I had this limit order looking to buy from here. I said looking to buy from the second OB, but if I am online and get confirmation from the first OB, might enter. Now I already set this limit order, but I later closed it. I said close this position and waiting for confirmation. I later closed it. Then this guy triggered, and I said this guy don't trigger. Look at it here. This guy happened to be the third trade, as I was holding it. Look at the position here, and I had to set this limit order again. While I was still holding that guy, I had to set this one. I said I have just set this order again, but more refined now. All right, so if it gets triggered, then it will be our fourth trade. Now it's triggered and went straight to SL. Look at what I wrote here, getting screwed here. So the fourth trade is this very one. This is the fourth trade, and look at when it hits SL. Now I learned something here. Learned the hard way. Was supposed to wait for confirmation since price already took out my initial target. Now the reason why I closed the trade initially was because price already took out the target I was aiming for, but I saw that price has just started coming down again, and I said okay, let me just put this position on again, and this is what happened. Now look at my history here, and look at the BTC that got to SL. I lost 41 there, but this gold which went to SL, I lost 74. Now the reason why it was above $50 is because price movement was so fast there, and my SL was intact, and I was supposed to lose $50 or less. but because of the price movement, how fast it was, and I lost more. Like what I wrote here, movement of price was so fast and I lost 74 instead of 50. So but then this very position was still running. Okay, so something happened on this BTC trade because I had to trail it. Look at when I say SL now at 62,320. So look at when the price was going smoothly and I said SL now at 64,500. So I was just moving SL up and up and up. SL now at 66,435, and look at when I was kicked out. This was the account balance then. So I said out on all positions. I can't balance right now. Let me show you the account balance as of when I was taken out, or how much I made from this very one. Let's go to, because I don't think I updated it here. I did not. Let's go to my account. So you can see here that the what I made from there is $6, just $6. That was what I made from there. So, and it happened because I was just trailing it. If not, I would have been taken out of that trade without maybe hit a break even. But that's it. So the fourth trade was, let's call that a break even trade. Fourth trade was a break even. So now let's go to the fifth trade. Look at what I wrote here. Limit order placed successfully. And this was the limit order that I placed, and look at when it got triggered. 19 minutes ago. Look at the price here. Now I had to take partials from this trade before the price even move that much. Now the reason is because look at what I wrote here. Don't like how price is moving. I've taken partials and moved to B. Now this is the fifth trade. All right, so look at when it was going and I was trailing it again. SL now at 64k, and look at when I moved SL to 65k. And as of this time, I was only looking for a profit that will not be more than $130, so that I can be able to place withdrawal. All right, so look at when I had to close the trade. I closed the trade manually because I didn't want it to go above $130, because if I go above $130, I will need to trade again before I can make withdrawals. This was the fifth trade, and the fifth trade was a win. CP. And look at the account balance after the fifth trade, and I said now your boy will be placing withdrawal. Okay, look at when the trade hits TP here, and this is the payout view on instant funding websites, and you can see that everything was checked. Look at it here. So I said paying out, or I said payout of 272 requested. This was when I requested for payout actually. So officially I have been paid this $272. And look at when they sent me the email, and I said, dear Ape Kelvin, congratulations, you have requested your payout. So, and there's something here that I've not done. Be sure to take a screenshot and send it to the payout section in our Discord. That's what I'm going to do after this video. So because I've not done that. And look at when the payout arrived. So I requested for the payout on the 2nd of March, and here is when the payout arrived my wallet. What date is that? 3rd of or 4th of March. This early morning I just woke up to see that my wallet is breathing with $272. And look how I wrote here, I knew it were possible, so I had to put in the work and asked my chi to remain with me. I dedicate this day, Wednesday, March 4th, 2026, to my chi and myself. A big congratulations for getting a solid result from trading the financial market. Now is the time to keep on learning and improving, because everything is now making sense. And this is it, guys. So this win came after 5 trades, 2 take profits, 2 stop losses, 1 break even. Nothing crazy, just disciplined risk management. That's the secret. Well, I'm staying conservative and compounding slowly. I don't want to move fast again. I don't want to, slack. Moving fast will actually not help me. And the goal isn't hype, it's consistency. It's consistency. Anyway, for those asking, yes, this is with instant funding. Instant funding. I think I like, it's not I think, but I like the firm now. Yeah, I'm an affiliate partner with them anyway, and I will leave the link in the description. You can check if you want to, take account from them. Check the link in the description. All right, no pressure, just documenting my real journey, guys. You will not believe that I am on my way to work and making this video.